Welcome to Totally RVing. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go.
Welcome back to another cooking episode for Totally RVing while we're at camp. Only this cooking episode is going to be new to us. We're going to try something totally different. We have, if you'll notice, we have a lot of spare ribs here. We're having some family and friends in tomorrow for dinner. So tonight, we're going to take the membrane off the spare ribs, put this back in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow we'll put in this, what is it, the smoker?
Yeah, we're going to put the rub on, and then we'll put it in the smoker.
Put it in the smoker in about 3 hours or so. I don't know. It's new to me. He's in charge of that part.
Yeah.
Tonight, we're working on the membrane. So we're going to try what we've seen on YouTube's. And the first thing I think you're going to do is cut. And they say to use a butter knife.
Go in between the bones.
Right. You go down to the second layer. And they say we have a sharp knife here. But they say if you use a sharp knife, you might go too far. Let me see. Because that looks a little like...
Yeah, that's a bit more separate.
You know what? I'm going to try right here.
All right.
Okay. And we're not going the whole way through. We're just trying to pick up this little membrane. Okay. Well, let's see if we've got that. Okay. Remember, this is our first time, so be kind to us. Okay. Now, he's going to hold it. And then if they use a paper towel, because it is a little bit slippery here. And they make it look so easy. All right, you holding it?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, I think I have it started.
Ah, yeah, well.
Well, we're getting it.
Part of it.
Let me just see. Okay. It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, you get another start on it. Yep, that's good.
It's coming.
Yep. There we go, now you get this piece.
Let me just get it started with a knife. Okay, let's see if we can do this now.
Might have gone too deep. There we go, that's it.
There we go, went too deep. All right, now we'll get this. Ah, there we go.
Look at that, just like a pro.
Really nice.
Yep.
So we have 2 more to do, and tomorrow we'll come back with you and we'll get this in the cooker, the smoker, I guess it is, and new experience for us. Always liking to learn something new. All right, stay tuned. It's a beautiful day at the campground, a great day to continue with our ribs and getting them smoked today for our dinner tonight. So we're going to start and we're going to put a rub on them, and we're going to do a 2-to-1 rub. It's going to be 2 parts pepper to 1 part salt on our ribs. They're all trimmed up, they're squared up, they're ready to go. Okay, so let's put the pepper salt on. Look at that, look at that. We're not going to get fancy here with all the different seasonings. We want the pepper and the salt to come through, and then we're going to have our barbecue sauce later on. Oh, look at these beautiful things. And now we're going to flip them. The smoker's heating up, ready to go. I'm learning lots today, thanks to my son. We're finishing up the
pepper and the salt combination on the ribs. Now we're putting them on the racks. You can see that. We have a couple more racks to do. We're going to put them in the oven. So we come over here. And we'll put this in the oven. I don't know where exactly I'm going to put it. Right there's one. Get ready for 2 more wraps. And we'll be smoking these all day. Look at that smoker. Ooh, it's going to be a good day. We'll see what happens throughout the day. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm filling up the hopper with apple chips. Around here, Matt. Goes in there like that, and dump. Okay. And let her smoke. Gotta move quick. If you're looking, you ain't cooking.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
We'll take them out. We're gonna put some apple juice on it, and then wrap it up in foil and put it back in again. And take the rack.
Here's a knife right here. Underneath. Okay, putting it on the middle of the foil. A little bit hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Now you want to pour the apple juice on it.
A little trough. Alright.
Ready for the next one.
Alright.
Do all the racks of rib like that. And then back in the smoker.
Next step is to put the sauce on. We're gonna unwrap them, sauce them down, and then put them back on the racks without, the foil. You want to see pure perfection?
Okay, we're going to put some Baby Ray's sauce on. Spread it around.
That's at room temperature.
Room temperature, baby.
Sweet
Ray's.
Baby Ray.
Ooh. Now we'll see if we can flip this without it falling apart. I'll grab the foil. I think you're better off with your.
Where you going with that?
I'm going to
Okay.
pull it out.
Oh, all right. We'll flip it over on the rack. Okay.
Real messy.
Oh yeah, a little messy. They're falling apart.
Ooh, but they look good.
Oh, they do look good. Look at that. Look at that rub on. Yummy.
Okay, put some barbecue sauce on the back.
That's the front. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm going to be kind of generous with barbecue sauce. I like barbecue sauce. And then this is ready to go back in for a little while longer. Probably an hour longer.
Okay, we got these all sauced down, and we're gonna put them back in the smoker for probably around another hour. I'm gonna start putting some more chips in, and get them smoked up a little bit. And bon appetit.
Ooh, they look good.
Okay.
How beautiful that is.
Yeah, that's very pretty.
Very pretty.
Very done.
Oh yes. Ooh. We need more. We need to hold this. We're gonna try to get it on the foil and put it, pack it in a, no, just hold the, no, that's one, two,
Go.
I'm ready. Go, 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 go. Ooh, look how beautiful.
That's sauce, not blood.
I don't know if I have that long enough. And then we're gonna wrap this, and it's gonna go in a bag until supper time. It won't be
Insulated
very,
bag.
what?
An insulated bag.
In an insulated bag, yes. We're gonna put this away, and then we'll have this at supper. It's gonna be a good supper.
Bite of the ribs.
All right, what do you think of the ribs?
Delicious.
Delicious. What I like to hear.
Melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Really good, huh?
Three cheers for the chef.
Not much left
Not
yet.
bad for the first-
There'll be
first-
seconds.
Be the pit boss, huh?